expected to pose a threat. Please continue to heed remaining road closures.
What?
County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Byzantine, Tuckalim, and Essay Island. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Atlantic, and Ocean. The following is a flood watch statement. Flood watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Thursday. Wet flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where portions of central, northern, and southern New Jersey, including the following areas: in central New Jersey, eastern Monmouth, Mercer, and western Monmouth. In northern New Jersey, Middlesex. In southern New Jersey, Atlantic, coastal Cape May, Camden, Cape May, coastal Atlantic, coastal Ocean, Cumberland, Gloucester, northwestern Burlington, Ocean, Salem, and southeastern Burlington. When until 2 a.m. Thursday. Impact. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details: showers and thunderstorms tonight continue to produce heavy rain. With an already saturated surface, it will not
are directly linked
What the fuck?